In Mexico, there is a place called Mapimí Silent Zone, or the Zone of Silence. There is no hotel, no beach or swimming pool, no trace of human beings, except for insects, reptiles and mammals, dry grass and desert wind blowing all year round. The reason is that all wireless signals, short waves, phone signals, satellite signals, radio waves, seem to be sucked by a very strong force to disable. In other words, all moving objects disappear before the radar screen. Mapimí Silent Zone is located near Bolsón de Mapimí, located in the states of Chihuahua, Coahuila, and Durango, 640 kilometers from the US border. This strange land was first identified in 1930 by Francisco Sarabia, a Mexican pilot. In this area, there have been strange events that even scientists cannot explain. The Silent Zone Mapimí in Mexico has always haunted humans. Especially, the coordinates of the Silent Zone are at latitude 26 degrees north. This place is parallel to the Devil's Triangle, Bermuda, and the Egyptian pyramids. These two places are at latitude 28 degrees north. It cannot be a coincidence that these three places can lie onto parallel lines on Earth. Silent Zone has invisible power very strong. There are many rumors that the Mexican government has concealed the inexplicable events. On the flight from Mexico City, Mexico, to New York, USA, Francisco noticed that his radio system was mysteriously malfunctioning. The wireless signals were completely disabled and could not be transmitted. Because he thought that there was an invisible power very strong that prevented radio waves from penetrating the area, he called this area the Zone of Silence. In 1970, people began to pay more attention and began to research, investigate this land after the US Athena missile fired from the White Sands Missile Base near New Mexico disappeared inexplicably. According to the plan, the missile was programmed to land about 1,126 kilometers away. The strange thing is that this missile flew over the White Sands Range thousands of km more to head towards the Silent Zone of Mexico. US military experts believe that Athena not only flew off course, but also flew too far, as if being pulled by a force to the mysterious area. A series of strange phenomena in the Silent Zone have been recorded. The first is the level of iron ore with high content found here. The forest rangers near the Silent Zone said they saw mysterious lights at night. Flying objects landed vertically. They caused the bushes below to catch fire. Flying balls. Farm owners in the area reported that at night, the sky here often appeared airplanes landing vertically in the desert, often leaving burn marks on the ground. Stories about aliens. A farm owner reported that they were often visited by three human-shaped creatures with long blonde hair, two males and one female, all speaking fluent Spanish. The guests always asked for water, but did not need food or anything else. They said they came from heaven. Another story tells that a group of TV investigators received help from a strange human creature at the Silent Zone after they were knocked unconscious by an unusual dust cloud. Even animals are mutated here. There are rare plant species, and above all is the suffocating feeling of many people who have set foot here reported back. How the silent zone can interfere with radio signals and seemingly attract abnormal impacts from outer space has not been fully explained. However, there is still a problem that this area contains many phenomena that challenge logical explanations.